Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can change by sine 2x multiplied by sine 2x to the power of 4. So we have the formula in here. Sine a square plus cosine a square equals to number 1. So if we look carefully about this one, that is about sine 2x to the power of 2, everything to the power of number 2. So we have sine a square in here. So I will put this one go to the right. So we need to transform this one into this one, and that is about 1 minus cosine 2x everything to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine 2x. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have negative number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. This one we change by u square. This one we change by u to the power of 8. This one we change by negative du over negative number 2. Next, we need to expand this one. So u to the power of 8 multiplied by number 1 u square and u to the power of 4. So 8 plus 4 we have number 12. 8 plus 2 we have number 10. And this one we have u to the power of 8. And now we have the formula in here. So this one we have u to the power of 9 over 9. The next one 11. The next one 13. And I will put about c. About u, that is about cosine 2x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.